Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to scan QR code from photos in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the notification area and go to right side. Click on QR code scanner, and here two options are available. You can directly scan from the object or other area. Otherwise, if you have any photo with QR code, you can use that to scan. Okay, for that, if you are requiring information from that photo QR, then click on scan from photo here and select any photo from gallery that has QR code. Okay, only photo with QR code can be scanned. Okay, so here I select this photo, and in this photo one QR is available, two QR is available, and it automatically select this QR and it is scanned. Okay, so in this way also you can scan through photo. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.